everyone. I am Asif from grade 8 and today the topic of my presentation is ionic bond. So the question is, what is ionic bond and how they form? When an atom loses and gains an electron, they develop charges, and they develop charges. The atoms that carry charges are called ions. So now what is cation and anion? When an atom loses an electron, they develop positive charge. This is called cation. And when an atom gains an electron, this is called anion, and they develop negative charge. Same with the metals and non-metals. Metals that lose electron, for example, sodium, and non-metals that gain electron, for example, chlorine. So now it's an example of ionic bond. Sodium chloride, which is also known as NaCl, and it is common salt. So it has one electron in its outermost shell, and chlorine have 7 electrons. What if sodium will give its electron to the chlorine one? They'll both be stable. So let's do this. The sodium will give its electron to the chlorine one, and now always remember, in ionic bond, these atoms are attracted to each other by an electrostatic force of attraction. Now they are both balanced, so ionic bond is much stronger and much energy is needed to break them. This was my project. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Arush Ramzan from class 8 White. Today I am going to represent covalent bond. Basically, covalent bond is a type of chemical bond in which atoms share their electrons to form this covalent bond. Lots of examples are of covalent bond: methane and water. Oxygen molecules. There is double covalent bond in oxygen molecules. By sharing 4 electrons between 2 atoms, the form of double covalent bond. For example, this is single oxygen atom and this is second oxygen atom. Both have 6 electrons, but we need 8 electrons to stable this atom. Both atoms share 2 electrons to complete their own attack. Now each atom of these molecules will become stable.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab Fiaz. Today my topic is ionic bond. Basically, ionic bond is a bond that formed by the complete transfer of electron from one atom to another. I further explain ionic bond with sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed when sodium and chlorine react. During the reaction, the electrons are lost by sodium atom and gained by chlorine atom. When sodium atom gives its electron to chlorine atom, in their between there is an electrostatic force of attraction. This is called bond. Thank you.